welcome back. Here's another makeup tutorial for Coachella. I decided to do it this time a little bit easier than the other one. I actually used the Lime Crime Diamond Crushers for highlighting, for eyeshadow, for my lips. It looks really pretty. That's why I like these Diamond Crushers so much. You can do a lot of things with these. I would also go as far as putting it on my hair, but I do have guests coming over tonight, so I am not gonna put it in my hair. I just don't want to risk that right now. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. Super easy. It does have a little bit of detail, but nothing too hard to do. I also wanted to keep it simple on the lower lash. I didn't want to add any pink color, so I added the little jewel right here. And I also did freckles, so if you already have freckles, that's a plus on your side. You completely skip that step. I wanted to update you guys on what's been going on with my hard drive. I haven't taken it to a place to extract the information, so I'm just gonna refilm it because it costs a lot of money to extract the information out of the external hard drives. I want those videos to go out as soon as possible, so I think I'm gonna be filming that next week for the next week's video. If you guys like this makeup tutorial, please don't forget to thumbs this video up at the end, and also leave me comments down below. I love to interact with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys till next time. Bye! to me, that's why if it's gonna come off or not, I don't know. This Coachella,